In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Shopify theme version quickly and easily. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Online Store. After that, select Themes to view your current Shopify theme. Under your active theme, click the three dots or Actions button to open more options. From the drop-down menu, click Edit Code. Inside the code editor, find and open the config folder. Now, click on the file called settings.schema.json. Once the file opens, use the search shortcut on your keyboard. Press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac and search for theme version. The result will highlight the current version number of your Shopify theme. This version helps you know whether your theme is updated, compatible with certain apps, or ready for new Shopify features. Checking your theme version regularly is a smart idea, especially before installing apps or making major customizations to your store. Thanks for watching.